I'm getting ready to head over to Disneyland with my friends. This is my outfit for today, and this is my Disney sweater that I actually got from Big Lots. I know of all the places, like I found this from Big Lots before they went out of business, but something about affordable sweaters, it is kind of like lower quality, but I kind of like it just because it's thinner. Especially in California, you don't want like a thick sweater. Actually today it might hit like high 80s even though we're in like February, so hopefully I don't get too hot. But this is the sweater that I'm going to be wearing, and I have these ears that I DIY'd. I have a full tutorial for you guys that I'll link for you below. I'm trying to figure out which one I like better. So there's this simple one that I made. It's so cute. I love this because you can customize it with any fabric. I don't think I sewed anything, so there's no sewing required. It's just hot glue and some cardboard with some fabric. I have like lace trimming right here. So this is my first ear. And these are my other ears. They have flowers on it. I love this fabric. I feel like I need to wear this for spring if I head over to Disneyland back in springtime. These are so cute too, but I think I'm gonna go with the more simple one. All right, I'm ready to go. I'm excited because they're having a Lunar New Year festival in the California park. Hopefully we get to try a lot of Asian food. And of course, I can't forget my Dole Whip today.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Well, heck, fixer! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so high. We had nothing crazy now. On my side, let's go to the nothing can stop us now.
Everybody hurries to the circus ground.
The Lunar New Year festival at Disneyland was so much fun and the food was pretty good. I was pretty impressed. I think my favorite has to be the wings because they were actually spicy, and sometimes I'm just craving for something really spicy at Disneyland. So yeah, that one was a really good one that you guys should try, and it's kind of perfect timing because I'm actually working on a Lunar New Year content for a brand. I'm going to be making some envelopes, so I'll be working on that today.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 꾸는 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 나는 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 지금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright
언제부터 시작한지 잘 몰라 baby 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아 baby 너의 말투 내일이 when the sun's up Maybe we'll make some memories It's all up to you